Several years ago, when I was a prosecutor, I had a case where a suspect shot a guy in a park and fled on foot through the neighborhood. We had an idea where he was walking through town. So, what we all did, law enforcement and myself, we went to house and looked for what were ring cameras and asked those owners if we could see their footage. Some of the cameras picked up the suspect, some did not. But the footage proved helpful, and we found and convicted the suspect for the shooting. Back in those days, law enforcement went to each individual with a ring camera and asked for their permission. But since that time, things have changed with ring cameras. Law enforcement used to have access to the data claiming an emergency, then be able to subpoena the data. If law enforcement claimed an emergency, the data would go to them without permission of the user. This policy from Ring changed. Today, according to an article from The Verge, Ring is teaming up with Axon, AXON, to allow police to request footage from Ring users using the Axon system. The user will get a request and can decide whether to share the information with law enforcement or not. Who knows what will happen in the future? Will Ring cameras always be recording, or will Ring decide to allow law enforcement to have access without the user's permission? Nowadays, we see Ring cameras can actually help the defense. We had one case that came to us where the person claimed, or the victim of the case claimed, that our client came to the door, made threats to him at the door, and during a child exchange. However, when that Ring camera footage was actually downloaded and viewed, it was determined that our client made no such threats, just asked for the child, which they had lawfully had a right to do, and the person, the claimed victim on the other side, was the one being rude and obnoxious. So in that case, the Ring camera proved to exonerate our client. No matter where you stand on this technology or what will be available in the future, just remember, when you're in public, behave like someone's creating a video about you, because they likely are.